Success does not come out of the blue. It's not about how much lucky you are. Success comes from hard work, sweat, and determination. If you want to get successful, you need to fight that enemy which is inside you. The enemy which makes you procrastinate and let you think that you are a failure. If you want to be successful, be independent. Don't stop doing something just because it's rainy, snowy, or it's even freezing outside. In life, there are always gonna be people who will tell you that you cannot do something. They will tell you you're crazy. You know what? Don't ever listen to those people, because those people are the ones who will ask you how once you get succeed. Don't stop believing in the beauty of your dreams, because dreams are beautiful, powerful, and dreams are the things which can always keep you motivated. No matter what, keep pushing hard until you get to the place that you want, because one day you're gonna be there. I believe in you.